Hello students, today we cover the chapter Lifelines of National Economy. Transport. Transport plays an important role in the economy. Because of transport, raw materials reach the factory and finished products reach to the consumer. The pace of development of a country depends upon the production of goods and services as well as the movement over space. Therefore, efficient means of transport are prerequisites for fast development. Apart from transport, the ease and mode of communications, like telephone and internet, makes seamless flow of information possible. Today, India is well linked with the rest of the world despite its vast size, diversity, and linguistic and socio-cultural plurality. Railways, airways, waterways, newspapers, radio, television, cinema and internet, etc. have been contributing to its socio-economic progress in many ways. The trades from a local to international levels have added to the vitality of its economy. It has enriched our life and added substantially to growing the amenities and facilities for the comforts of life. Roadways. Construction cost of roads is much low. India has one of the largest road networks in the world, aggregating to about 2.3 million kilometers at present. In India, roadways have preceded railways. They still have an edge over railways in view of the ease with which they can be built and maintained. The growing importance of road transport vis-a-vis rail transport is rooted in the following reasons. Construction cost of roads is much lower than that of railway lines. Roads can traverse comparatively more dissected and undulating topography. Roads can negotiate higher gradients of slopes and as such can traverse mountains such as the Himalayas. Road transport is economical in transportation of few persons and relatively smaller amount of goods over short distances. It also provides door-to-door service, thus the cost of loading and unloading is much lower. Road transport is also used as a feeder to other modes of transport, such as they provide a link between railway stations, air and seaports. In India, roads are classified in the following 6 classes according to the capacity. Golden Quadrilateral. The government has launched a major road development project linking Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Mumbai and Delhi by 6-lane superhighways. The North-South corridors linking Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir and Kanyakumari, Tamil Nadu, and East-West corridor connecting Silchar, Assam, and Porbandar, Gujarat are part of this project. The major objective of these superhighways is to reduce the time and distance between the mega cities of India. These highway projects are being implemented by the National Highway Authority of India (NHAI). National highways link extreme parts of the country. These are the primary road systems and are laid and maintained by the Central Public Works Department (CPWD). A number of major national highways run in north-south and east-west directions. State highways, roads linking a state capital with different district headquarters, are known as state highways. These roads are constructed and maintained by the State Public Works Department (PWD) in state and union territories. District roads. These roads connect the district headquarters with other places of the district. These roads are maintained by the Zilla Parishad. Other roads, rural roads, which link rural areas and villages with towns, are classified under this category. These roads received special impetus under the Pradhan Mantri Gramin Sadak Yojana. Under this scheme, special provisions are made so that every village in the country is linked to a major town in the country by an all-season motorable road. Border roads. Apart from these border roads organization, a Government of India undertaking constructs and maintains roads in the bordering areas of the country. This organization was established in 1960 for the development of the roads of strategic importance in the northern and northeastern border areas. These roads have improved accessibility in areas of difficult terrain and have helped in the economic development of these areas. Road density. The length of road per 100 square kilometer of area is known as density of roads. Distribution of road is not uniform in the country. Density of all roads varies from only 10 km in Jammu and Kashmir to 375 km in Kerala, with a national average of 75 km 1996-97. Road transportation in India faces a number of problems. Keeping in view the volume of traffic and passengers, the road network is inadequate. About half of the roads are unmetalled, and this limits the usage during the rainy season. The national highways are inadequate too. Moreover, the roadways are highly congested in cities, and most of the bridges and culverts are old and narrow. Railways. Railways are the principal mode of transportation for freight and passengers in India. Railways also make it possible to conduct multifarious activities like business, sightseeing, pilgrimage, along with transportation of goods over longer distances. Apart from an important means of transport, the Indian railways have been a great integrating force for more than 150 years. Railways in India bind the economic life of the country as well as accelerate the development of the industry and agriculture. Rail network. The Indian Railway have a network of 7,031 stations spread over a route length of 63,221 kilometers. With a fleet of 7,817 locomotives, 5,321 passenger service vehicles, 4,904 other coach vehicles and 228,170 wagons as on the 31st of March 2004. Development of railways. The Indian Railways is the largest public sector undertaking in the country. The first train steamed off from Mumbai to Thane in 1853, covering a distance of 34 kilometers. The Indian Railway is now reorganized into 16 zones. The distribution pattern of the railway network in the country has been largely influenced by physiographic, economic and administrative factors. The northern plains, with the vast level land, high population density and rich agricultural resources, provided the most favorable condition for the growth. However, a large number of rivers requiring construction of bridges across the wide beds posed some obstacles. In the hilly terrains of the peninsula region, railway tracks are laid through low hills, gaps or tunnels. The Himalayan mountainous regions too are unfavorable for the construction of railway lines due to high relief, sparse population and lack of economic opportunities. Likewise, it was difficult to lay railway lines on the sandy plain of western Rajasthan, swamps of Gujarat, forested tracts of Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Orissa and Jharkhand. The contiguous stretch of Sahyadri could be crossed only through gaps or passes, ghats. In recent times, the development of the Kingaon Railway along the west coast has facilitated the movement of passengers and goods in this most important economic region of India. It has also faced a number of problems such as sinking of track in some stretches and landslides. Today, the railways have become more important in our national economy than all other means of transport put together. However, rail transport suffers from certain problems as well. Many passengers travel without tickets. Thefts and damaging of railway property has not yet stopped completely. People stop the trains, pull the chain unnecessarily, and this causes heavy damage to the railway. Pipelines. Pipeline transport network is a new arrival on the transportation map of India. In the past, these were used to transport water to cities and industries. Now, these are used for transporting crude oil, petroleum products and natural gas from oil and natural gas fields to refineries, fertilizer factories and big thermal power plants. Solids can also be transported through pipeline when converted into slurry. The far inland locations of refineries like Barasuni, Mathura, Panipat and gas-based fertilizer plants could be thought of only because of pipelines. Initial cost of laying pipelines is high, but subsequent running costs are minimal. It rules out transshipment losses or delays. There are three important networks of pipeline transportation in the country. From oil field in Upper Assam to Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh, via Guwahati, Barasuni and Allahabad. It has branches from Barasuni to Haldia via Rajbund to Moragram and Guwahati to Siliguri. From Sula in Gujarat to Jalandhar in Punjab via Viramgam, Mathura, Delhi and Sonipat. It has branches to connect Koyali near Vadodara, Gujarat, Chakshu and other places. Gas pipeline from Hazra in Gujarat connects Jagdishpur in Uttar Pradesh via Vijaypur in Madhya Pradesh. It has branches to Kota in Rajasthan, Shahjahanpur, Babrala and other places in Uttar Pradesh. Waterways. Waterways are the cheapest means of transport. They are most suitable for carrying heavy and bulky goods. It is a fuel-efficient and environment-friendly mode of transport. India has inland navigation waterways of 14,500 kilometers in length. Out of these, only 3,700 kilometers are navigable by mechanized boats. The following waterways have been declared as the national waterways by the government. The Ganga River between Allahabad and Haldia, 1,620 kilometers NW. Number 1. The Brahmaputra River between Sadia and Dhubri, 891 kilometers NW. Number 2. The West Coast Canal in Kerala, Kottapuma Kaman, Ujogamandal and Champakara Canals, 205 km NW. Number 3. The other viable inland waterways include the Godavari, Krishna, Barak, Sundarbans, Buckingham Canal, Brahmani, East-West Canal and Damodar Valley Corporation Canal. Thank you. Please make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. In the next video, we shall study another part of this lesson. We hope you understood the summary of the lesson. We wish you the very best. Until next time, bye.